Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mirjad Al-Sayed. How are you guys? So today I will be doing my very first spring Zara haul, and I'm so excited because I love Zara, and honestly for the last few years they've been doing a great job. So if you've been shopping at Zara for like the last 10 years, honestly they've been a very big hit or miss kind of place to shop at, but lately they've been on fire. So if you guys want to see what I got, please keep watching. So one of the first things I'm going to show you guys is this beautiful blue plaid textured blazer. It's long, it's double-breasted. I love it. I think it's so nice, super comfortable. It's not really that thick, which is great, so you can obviously just throw this on over anything during the summer. And I am wearing this with these white high-waisted shorts, gold buttons on the side. These high-waisted shorts are so perfect because I really feel like they go with absolutely anything. They're the perfect shade of white too. And I paired this with these really nice, comfortable beige sandals. They have a small kitten heel, so they're super comfortable. It's such a great like spring summer outfit. I would totally wear this to like brunch or something. Okay you guys, so here I have another beautiful long blazer. This is a white tweed blazer, gorgeous gold buttons. It's double-breasted. I am obsessed with this. This one just screams me. I love it so much. And look at these shoulder pads. Like, what is this? I love it. So unlike the last blue blazer that I wore, this material is actually a lot thicker than the other one. So I feel like this I would probably only wear during the spring because it is a little bit cooler than the summertime. I feel like over the summer this would just be way too hot. I'm wearing the same exact shorts that I had in my last look and this stunning flowy ruffled blouse. It's so fun, it's so pretty. I want to show you the blazer really quick before I take it off and show you guys the blouse. It's got the gold buttons and it's just stunning. I don't really have a lot of long blazers, so the fact that they're coming out with these really nice long blazers, it's just great for my collection. So let me show you guys the blouse. I love pleats, and this blouse is just everything. Like, it's so neutral. The pink, the ruffles, and like I said, the pleats, it's just beautiful. This was a great find. This is very Samira. I don't know if you can tell, but I love blazers. Duh, I'm from New York. So here's another beautiful cream color double-breasted blazer. Look how pretty these buttons are. So I'm wearing this with these high-waisted shorts. They're the same like the white ones that I had on before, except these are in pink. These are so comfortable. I'm telling you, these really are like the best shorts. And they have them in so many other colors, which is great. I also paired this outfit with these shoes. These vinyl mules, and they're great because honestly it goes with everything. I love these shoes. They are awesome. Next up I have this knit mini dress. It is a little short for my taste, but I think it's so nice because it covers my full chest. I just love this look. I have another dress very similar to this one, except it's like really, really long down to my ankles, from Zara, that I got last year. So this is very similar to it, except this is just the mini version of it. And I really like it. It's knitted, and I mean, I love anything knit. Next I have this blue tweed romper. It is on the short side, but it is a romper, so it's not a big deal. I love it, and I did pair it with this sweater. I would probably wear this out with a puffy sleeve blouse underneath. I feel like without it, I feel like I would just be way too exposed, but here's the romper. It's so cute. It's blue tweed. I did purchase the matching blazer, but when I got it, it just looked very boxy, and I ended up getting an extra small, and it was just still too boxy, and I just did not like the look. Not my style at all, but I love the romper, so I kept the romper. I love it. It's so cute and girly. And for my final look, I have this gorgeous green tweed romper with puffy sleeves. I love this romper. I'm actually wearing this to a girlfriend's bridal shower. I love it so much. I feel like this is so me. All summed up in just one outfit. Puffy sleeves and tweed. I just can't stop looking at it in the mirror. I'm gonna come a little closer so you can see. I love the bottom hem, how it's like fringed. This romper does come with a black belt. However, I'm not a fan of that, and I just hate how Zara likes to pair a lot of their things with belts. I feel like a lot of the times it doesn't look good, and I don't know. I just got rid of the belt, and I'm probably going to end up cutting this so it doesn't look weird. So that's it for my haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget, I will be linking everything I got down in the description box below and as well on my blog, samiradusayage.com, so make sure you check that out. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright you guys, I'll see you all next time. Bye!